Hi Christian, what are you showing us today?
Hello, I'll show you an animation that demonstrates the flexible use of our safe mobile radio warning system on a large track worksite as an automatic track warning system.
What's automatic about it?
I'll show you. As soon as the train passes over the strike-in train detector, the warning is activated on all warning devices at the 1000 meters worksite. Even longer worksites can also be divided into different sections of 1000 meters. And at the end of each warning section, the warning is deactivated again by a strike-out train detector.
Why is the use of MRWS so suitable on maintenance worksites?
The maintenance work on each of these large track worksites is different and requires the flexible use of the mobile radio warning system at the necessary locations. Sometimes the warning devices can even move with the machines or are required for selective individual applications. For example, welding crews can take the warning devices with them on a track trolley. This effective use of the system minimizes the number of safety personnel while always maintaining the highest level of safety. Do you have any further questions? Feel free to contact us and visit our website.